Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, March 27th. The word resentment comes from Latin roots. Its original meaning was to feel again. We all deal with resentments, holding on to harm that has been caused in the past. And this is a painful experience. When you hold on like this, you feel the pain repeatedly, again and again and again. Sometimes these resentments may feel like they offer security from future harm, but with forgiveness, you can free up space in the heart to allow love and care to take root. The practice of forgiveness helps us let go of these painful experiences and offer freedom to the mind and heart. So let's try to work with forgiveness today. And remember, when you work with forgiveness, it may feel like you're being weak or opening yourself up to future harm. If that's the case, remind yourself that forgiveness doesn't require you to let somebody back into your life, to let them cause harm again, or to be okay with somebody's actions. You can let go of the resentment while still retaining healthy boundaries. A forgiving heart sets boundaries out of self-care, while a resentful heart sets boundaries out of fear. So take a comfortable position, and as you settle in, right away start inviting gentleness into the body. Invite gentleness into your breath, into your heart, into your mind. Notice any discomfort or tension in the body and try to soften around it. Now bring to mind somebody you feel resentful toward. When new to this practice, don't choose the strongest resentment in your heart. Instead, start where it's a little bit easier. Notice the harm that was caused and why you feel resentful. Connect with the intention to cultivate an open and loving heart. If there is resistance to that, notice its presence without pushing it away. Remember, it takes time to reopen the heart, so don't force anything. Now begin offering phrases of forgiveness, connecting with the words as much as you are able to. Say each phrase slowly in your head or out loud, finding your own rhythm. It may be helpful to offer a phrase with each exhale or with every other exhale. You may try these phrases, for example. I forgive you as much as I am able to in this moment. May I let this pain free itself from my heart. I forgive you as much as I am able to in this moment. May I let this pain free itself from my heart. Of course, you can choose your own phrases. As always, experiment with what resonates best. I'll be silent for a while. Now let go of the phrases. Turn towards yourself, recognizing that you too have caused harm to others. But you don't need to engage in stories about the harm you've caused. Just recognize that you have indeed caused difficulties for others, whether you intended to or not. It's simply inevitable in our life. And now call to mind a specific person you have hurt and begin asking for forgiveness from this person using these phrases or your own. For example, you can say, I ask for forgiveness for any harm I have caused you. May you find room in your heart to forgive me. May we forgive one another. I ask for forgiveness for any harm I have caused you. May you find room in your heart to forgive me. May we forgive each other. Again, I'll be silent for a while. Once again, let go of the phrases and now return to your own body. Rest your awareness on your natural, gentle breath. And as always, bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this practice. Remember, a forgiving heart sets boundaries out of self-care, while a resentful heart sets boundaries out of fear. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.